Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the best Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra you can buy Amazon. This is the best phone ever. With an 8K camera and a 12-megapixel rear camera, 4GB of RAM, and a 256GB of storage, this phone will help you capture memories like never before. The most advanced mobile you can get your hands on today. You deserve a phone that lives up to your needs and your standards. That's why we made our Galaxy S22 with an 8K camera, extra-large display, and more. With its fast 4nm processor, you'll be able to capture and edit photos and videos faster than ever before. And when you're done using your phone, it's easy to put it in a protective case and carry it around with you all day. Samsung's ultra-sharp 2.6 Super Amoled display brings you eye-popping 8K color and a brightness of 1000 nit. Camera features include a slow-motion camera with live focus and a 3x optical zoom lens for photos and videos. Capture the night with crystal-clear bright pics and videos, no matter the lighting with night mode. Portrait mode auto-detects and adjusts to what you want front and center, making all your photos worthy of a frame. Capture premium detail with 108MP resolution, the highest available on a cell phone. Your favorite content will look even more epic on our brightest display ever with Vision Booster. Streaming on the go, working from your patio or binge-watching late into the night. The Galaxy S22 Ultra adaptive screen automatically optimizes color and brightness, outdoors and indoors. Power every scroll, click, tap and stream all day long, and then some with an intelligent, long-lasting battery. Dive back into action at a moment's notice with 45W super fast charging. New phone, new S Pen. Now you can unleash. Samsung recently released the S22 Ultra, and it's the first in their line to be fitted with a retractable stylus. Like other similarly designed Samsung devices like the Galaxy Note series, they have similar functions that make them suitable for use in different ways. The S Pen provides a smooth writing and sketching experience with an input latency of just 2.8 milliseconds. It also comes with a variety of little features that make your work more efficient and productive. Along with the phone itself, the pen is also IP68 certified for water and dust resistance. Samsung's new model, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, has a 1TB internal storage option. This is a huge improvement from the previous models that only had 128GB of internal storage. The Galaxy S22 Ultra offers an improved camera and battery life to make it one of the best options on the market. It also has a 5G network option, so you can stay connected with friends and family when you're on the go. This new model is perfect for anyone who wants to be able to store plenty of content without worrying about how much space they have left on their device.